Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find your routing number using the Navy Federal Credit Union mobile app. Start by opening the Navy Federal app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account using your username and password or biometric login. Once you are on the main dashboard, you will see a list of your accounts, such as checking or savings. Now tap on the specific account for which you need the routing number. This is important because each account view shows its own details. After tapping, you will be taken to the account overview screen where you can see your balance and recent transactions. Next, look toward the top area of the screen. You should see an option labeled Account Details or sometimes Show More Details. Tap on that option to open additional information about your account. Once you are inside the Account Details section, scroll down slowly if needed. Keep an eye out for a 9-digit number labeled as the routing number. It is usually displayed near or just above your account number. Make sure you double-check the number before using it, especially if you are setting up direct deposit or making a transfer. Thanks for watching.